Okay, so we're getting some candy for Eid. Actually, they're kind of more like snack bags, not really candy bags, but
yeah.
So we're at Costco right now because we used to go to Sam's Club, but it closed. So we have 3 carts, filling it up. Sure.
Combine the carts.
And we're trying to see where we can get more candy. Probably have to go to Walmart or something because they don't have that much of a selection of candy. I think it's the season too. So far we have these little snack packs, Mott's, fruit snacks, and chips. And we need some chocolate. So we have the trunk full with all the candy, the snacks. It's like literally filled to the top. Good thing there's a back camera on here, otherwise I wouldn't be able to see. And then I think we're headed to Walmart to get some chocolates. Okay. Leaving Walmart. Got some more candy. And that's the end of our adventures. Oh, I just want to fall over. So this is what one candy bag looks like. My camera will focus. So it has these crackers, Mott's, fruit snacks, bag of chips, and then chocolate and Jolly Ranchers. Here's everything that's going in the bag. Shooting for 400. And we're watching, what is this movie called? Coco. Abuelita! Give me like 500 tamales. Sabah al-Khair. Time is at 7:59. Exactly 8 o'clock. Hello. Yeah.
حي على الفلاح.
What in the world? Just do some free weights maybe. Maybe not anything too heavy. I don't know. It's day 2 of Eid, starting off in the gym. Actually, I already ate Culver's this morning, so ever. Going to the gym in the basement. I'm going to start off with the bike over here. It's even considered a bike. I think this is a bike, but I don't know what this is. I think it's kind of like a bike, but whatever. I'm gonna start off with this for legs. So yeah. Okay, smoothie time of Hulu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I do it?
If you want to.
Shall I sign up on device or on web?
On the web, I guess. I don't know. Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna start this smoothie.